everyone. Today I am going to pick a chit from the chit box and let's see what topic I get and let's talk about it.
Alright.
Let's take one chit. And I got space.
Oh, interesting. Go ahead. What do you know about space?
Okay. Space is enormous. It's huge and it's limitless. There are so many things going on in the space. They are galaxies, stars and asteroids, planets, etc. And our galaxy name is Milky Way. And in Milky Way, our sun is a medium-sized star. Around the sun, there are 9 planets rotating. In the 9 planets, there is Earth. In Earth, we are living because Earth has the weather conditions for living beings to live.
Right.
And the 9 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. Pluto is a dwarf planet.
Right. And there are also black holes, something called
Yeah,
black
black
holes in the space. They have this huge density in it where even the light cannot be traveled inside. It has been, even the light can be trapped inside the black hole. You know, that is something new for you, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And Mummy, do you know why the causing of day and night is
Well,
there?
you tell me why.
Because the Earth rotates around the sun on its own axis.
Axis, yeah, right. Earth rotates. It takes 24
4
hours for Earth to rotate around its own axis. And do you know why weather condition happens?
Because the Earth rotates around the sun and
Right.
that's why weather conditions are changing all the time.
Correct.
If today is sunny, tomorrow will be rainy. Like
Alright.
that.
Not exactly. Seasons will change.
Seasons will
There are
change.
4 seasons. Alright. Anything else you know about space?
And I know about a telescope called Hubble telescope.
Well, Hubble telescope, right. It's a huge invention happened and it has been launched very close to the Earth's orbit to, closely monitor celestial objects. It's very huge, you know. Okay, and what else you know?
And there is a new movie released called Mission Mangalam. In that,
Okay.
it is all about the rocket launching to
Mars?
Mars.
Mission.
Mars mission.
Okay. Alright, they will be, placing this satellite to the Mars orbit.
Yeah.
Right, and they got successful, which is very, we should be proud of. And there is also one movie came Gravity.
Gravity, yeah.
Right? So that is in one Hollywood movie, Gravity. It tells you about how the lady astronaut escapes from the mission, the mission which got trapped in the space, and how she came back to Earth.
Yeah.
Alright, what else?
And I know some people who went to the space. And the first person who went to the space is Yuri Gagarin.
Yuri Gagarin. Right.
From the whole world. And from India is Rakesh Sharma.
Correct, Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma, he was an Air Force pilot.
Yeah.
Right.
Air Force.
And Kalpana Chawla,
and
Sunita Williams, great people, astronauts. Alright, what else? Organizations?
Organizations. Yeah. And do you know about the space stations?
Well, what is it?
It is like we have bus stations, railway stations, right?
Right.
Like that only we have space stations also.
Where they can land the spacecrafts or something?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, I have heard. I have heard about it. Space stations. Well, what else?
And there are some organizations in India. It is called ISRO.
Right.
And in USA it is NASA.
Right, ISRO is something, great people have achieved so much in ISRO that they have launched so many rockets and placed satellites on Earth's orbit, and of course Chandrayaan as well, right?
Yeah.
And what else? How about the weight of a person in space?
Yeah, the weight. If I am 30 kgs on Earth and when we go to space, I am much reduced.
Why?
of
Why
weight.
like that?
Because in Earth we have more gravitational pull, and in space there is zero gravitational pull.
Oh, right. That's another difference. Absolutely.
Yeah.
And what else? Do we have day and night in space?
No, there is nothing called day and night in space because it's completely dark.
Right.
Yeah.
Of course. And what else? And why do we use rockets?
Rockets to launch satellites and asteroids to reach their orbits.
Astronauts.
Yeah, astronauts
Astronauts to reach space,
to
basically.
reach space.
Why rockets means we have to have such a speed, high speed, to escape from the Earth's gravitational pull. So we can't use buses,
Yeah.
we can't use airplanes,
Airplanes.
we can't use helicopters.
Rocket goes in such a speed.
High speed to escape from the,
From the
gravitational pull of the
from
Earth. Very good. What else? Well, do you know which is the nearest galaxy to Milky Way?
Galaxy to Milky Way is can you tell me?
Well, it is Andromeda.
Yeah, Andromeda.
So Andromeda is the nearest galaxy which is been found by the Hubble telescope itself.
Yeah.
Right. What else? Well, I guess that's it for now.
That's it
You want
for
to say
now.
something? So you like space?
Yeah.
One day you want to become an astronaut?
Yeah, I want to become an astronaut. Thank
Alright.
you. That's it for today.
Alright,
Goodbye.
bye-bye.